ঝরণ পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো সারু ধন নদীর পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো বন্ধার পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো সারু ধন টিপার পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো খেতে পানি গলে অড়িয়া মিলো খেতে পানি গলে অড়িয়া মিলো খেত খেত বিল বিল সারু ধন ঝরণ পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো বন্ধার পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো সারু ধন টিপার পানি ঝিলো ঝিলো
Thousands of miles away from Delhi, Kalahandi district in Orissa is still considered one of the most backward areas in India. People from this area are deprived of all the basic facilities. The hard-working families try hard to make ends meet, but a single incident of illness takes away all their hopes. These people are always ready to help each other despite all the difficulties. Banking on this good intention of the local people, Micro Insurance Academy and Mahashakti Foundation has started a health scheme called Niramaya to protect them from any untoward health events. This scheme is of the people, for the people, and managed by the people. MIA believes in community asset creation, strong social networking, and self-determination of poor community as valuable resources. MIA has designed the concept keeping in mind the communities, local partners, different insurance company and governments according to their respective strength in each setting. MIA does not sell or underwrite insurance. We limit our action to providing local partners with the technical skills and guidance to operate and govern their own insurance schemes, guided by the conviction that the schemes will be most successful if the community has full ownership. MIA is involved in collaborating and liaisoning with government bodies for policy advocacy. We aspire and inspire the local community to be the champion of change through training, awareness and education on the benefits of insurance, pooling of efforts and resources at local level, and interpersonal communication that supports this behavior change. MIA has developed various tools such as the Treasure Pod game to facilitate community participation in enjoyable exercises that transmit complex concepts in a simple way. The messages include how to build consensus with the help of a game like simulation exercise called CHAT, that stands for Choosing Health Plans All Together, to agree on a single benefit package that all agree to.
दीदी मैंने आसते से चार्ट रे हमके ट्रेनिंग देले सेटा खेली करी आमे सेनु सब किछि आमे सेने जानि पारलु आ जानि पारी करी आमे निजे हम निजर गां के निजे आसी करी लोग मन के भी हम बुझानु आमे चार्ट खेलारु जानि पारलु जे हम निराम स्वास्थ्य पांठी केतरे भ
Hence, MIA's micro insurance model is not only unique but also innovative in nature, as it can be customized to the specific context of each community.
ଆଉ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଚାଲିଛି ଏ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମକୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଏହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଲୋକମାନେ ବହୁତ ଉପକୃତ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଆମର ଗାଁରେ କିଏ ଏମିତି ପଇସା କେବେ ନି ମିଳିଥାଏ ଗୋଟେ ସଂସ୍ଥା ହେଲାକେ 2000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଲୁ ଆମର ଗାଁରେ ଏବେ ଖୁବ୍ ସୁବିଧା ହେଉଛି ଦୁଃଖ ସୁଖ ସବୁ ଆବରି ହେଉଛି।
ପ୍ରଥମେ ଲୋକମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନଥିଲେ, ଏହାର ଲାଭ ପାଇବା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଆସି ଏଠାରେ ମିଶୁଛନ୍ତି।
MIA, being a change agent, facilitates the operation of the local community-based health insurance through local partners. In Kalahandi, Odisha, our local partners are Mahashakti Foundation and Bejani Women Cooperative. The process started 6 years ago and has been going strong since then to this day.
स्वास्थ्य पांठीर आरंभ समय आमको अनेक कष्ट करिया पड़ता किंतु आज ए समस्त बुझी पारि स्वास्थ्य पांठीर लाभ विषय एवं समस्त एथरे शामिल।
As a result, from a beginning with 52 villages that joined the scheme, gradually the scheme grew as it attracted villagers of 144 villages, became a part of a rigorous and effective community-based health insurance program. By 2014, more than 19,000 individuals actively participated in the scheme and benefited from it.
ई स्कीम होचे समस्त लगी बहुत भल स्कीम टे किंतु ई स्कीम रे जते बेला में शामिल हैला परे ई स्कीम नु हमके फायदा मिलुछि कि जेंटा सुना गुना गहना करथुं सेटा भी मुकले पारुछु एटा वर्ष के थरे एका बांधबा के पड़सी मास को मास बांधबा लगी पैसा नहीं पड़ी हाँ ई पैसा माने बुड़ी जीवार बोली हमर डर नहीं ना ई पैसा जेन आमे बांधुछु ई पैसा हमर ना ने एका डिपॉजिट रे अछि।
Apart from this, MIA's program has successfully reached out to 100,000 individuals across India and Nepal. The major benefit of the program has been recorded in the form of social impact, largely through insurance literacy, and this knowledge is being disseminated across the community.
ए बाबू ठारू मु सब बुझी गली आप बढ़िया जिनिस एटा मोर परिवार सह ए पार्टी रे आसिबे।
Insurance education has led to better practices towards preventive health care with special focus on malaria and maternal health. It must be stressed that these schemes are operated by local people whose only capacity to operate the health insurance scheme originates from the training given by MIA. Enrollment, premium collection, program cost management and rigorous claim processing are the four major components MIA focuses on to attain sustainability.
ए कमिटी करवार मुख्य उद्देश्य है जे आम चाहूँ लोक मैंने केमती निज पार्टीटा को सबुदिन चल पारे गाँ स्तर जो लोक मानक आम विभिन्न प्रकार तालीम कार्यक्रम सचेतनता कार्यक्रम जो लोक मान पाखे आम पहुँची पारिचु ताहले ब्लॉक स्तरीय जो आमर समन्वय कमिटी निजे तार पांठीर सुपरिचालना करिपारिबो आ समस्ते आशा रखुछन समस्ते कमिटीर समस्त सदस्य सदस्य तामाने प्रतिज्ञाबद्ध जे सेमाने निजे ई पांठीटा को ठीक हिसाब रे परिचालना करिपारिबे।
The concept developed in this regard focuses the attention towards a gradual increase of enrollment in the scheme with a marginal increase in the premium. Whereas the cost to manage the scheme should practically decrease, keeping a check on the claim ratio that should substantially be controlled through curbing moral hazard and adverse selection. The broader aspect of MIA sustainability concentrates on social acceptability, technical knowledge, and financial viability. This has been brought about through structured implementation of CBHI not only in Kalahandi but also in selected villages of Bihar, UP, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and other states in India as well as Dhading and Banke districts of Nepal. In addition, MIA also provides advisory services in Asia, Africa and Latin America. MIA is a frontrunner in the micro-insurance domain with a mission to bring insurance solutions to the communities of the world in general and to the poor community of rural India in particular.
मोर ज्ञान धारण हो सहा मोर भगवान काडर सल गाहे सो मिसी अस्त्र आम संगठन।